Now let's try to understand how a Scrum Master serves Scrum team. The first aspect is coaching. It can happen that you get a team which has never worked in agile space, which has no idea what Scrum is all about. So as a Scrum Master, you have to coach them. You have to give these principles, ideas, values, and explain them using coaching session. You should mentor them. So it's important to coach the team member in self management and cross functionality, to explain them what does a self sufficient Scrum team means, what does cross functionality is all about. That need to be coached, and that not only applies with new team members but old team members as well. It can be possible that people are working in Scrum for years but they are following the wrong approach, so you have to course correct them. You should also help as a Scrum Master to make sure that the team delivers high value increment or focus on high value increment. So it should not happen that the team is wasting their time on unnecessary trainings. They are wasting their time in management updates. They are wasting their time in filling up the timesheets. It should be important to understand that their focus is to deliver high value increment or the features that you need in a product. If there are impediments that need to be removed. So for example, in one of my project, we have an impediment that came in where the Oracle database cannot be acquired because there was a budget constraint. The amount of money that is required to purchase Oracle database is not being approved. And because of that, the team has now impediment. So as a Scrum Master, now it's my responsibility to either get more budgets from the budgeting team or highlight it to the product owner, the relevant stakeholder, that this specific feature that relates to the Oracle database cannot be delivered until the budget is being approved in the next quarter. We acquire the Oracle database and then we can move forward. So it's important to highlight all these impediments and risks. It is also important that the Scrum Master help in collaboration of the team with other Scrum teams. So for example, if your team is a database team and there is a front end team and you both need to collaborate, Scrum Master act as a bridge between these two teams. Also, Scrum Master makes sure that all the Scrum events or ceremonies that we will discuss in our future videos take place in a productive, positive, and time box manner. What does that mean? Is when we are holding all these ceremonies, they should give value at the end to the team. They should be productive. They should be time boxed. So every ceremony event in a Scrum has a defined upper time limit. You should not cross it. And it's Scrum Master responsibility that the team follow these guidelines. And at the end, it should be positive. At the end, the idea is people should enjoy working in that safe, secure, and trusted environment. Now let's move on and see how Scrum Master helps a product owner.